is huge for Mick Taylor. With an 8:14 and 167, really unusually.
Richie Webb, the unceremonious tow back to the pits. Final of Renegade Racing Fuel's Outlaw Anglia. Mick Taylor underneath us in the Auto Glim lane. Colin Miller on the STP side of the racetrack with the Flying Fifer. So performance advantage so far goes to Colin Miller on elapsed time. Speed-wise, they are very even, which means one thing. Mick Taylor has got more in that Fordson than he's letting on, or he's showed us so far. Yeah, if we could just have a polite round of applause, please, for Richie Smith.
Richie Webb.
Richie Webb, even, full, as he goes back to the pits. Not the way he wanted to end his weekend.
I know there's a lot of fans out there for the air-cooled cars, so give him a big round of applause. Unfortunately, that's such a shame to happen in the final.
Well, the thing is, at least it was the final, round one, but that's not the point, is it? You just think, oh, dear. Okay, Colin Miller in the STP lane, still hoping to get off the line with no tyre shake. In the Flying Fifer, up against Mick Taylor with the Banshee. Now, Mick's quickest run of the weekend, I think he's in the 7.9 still. Colin down in the 7, I think he's been 7.2 actually this weekend. Triple nitrous purge once again for Colin Miller. Will the trophy be staying in the UK? Sorry, England or Scotland? Oh, Colin heads for the wall, has to get out of it. Mick Taylor will be your Outlaw Anglia winner. 783, 174 miles an hour. My goodness me. Colin Miller was shaken.